Welcome! In this tutorial video, we will demonstrate how to create and process a PIX4Dfields project. On the PIX4Dfields dashboard, click on the plus icon at the bottom right of the screen. PIX4Dfields can work with both satellite and drone imagery. Click on Folder or Images to import the drone images to the project. When the folder contains both RGB and multispectral imagery, you can select the appropriate file format and click Continue. You can create a PIX4Dfields project with either RGB or multispectral images. There are two pipelines for processing in PIX4Dfields. Depending on your project's requirements, select either fast processing or accurate processing. For in-field processing, select fast processing. Depending on the dataset, you can select the weather conditions at the time of image capture. In this case, the orientation of the sun sensor is unknown, therefore we cannot calculate the angle of the sun, which means we cannot select the weather conditions during capture. You can modify the project's GSD and several advanced settings when required. When comparing images captured of the same field at different points in time under varying weather conditions, ensure that radiometric correction is enabled and that images of a reflectance target are included in the imported images. Click Apply. On the next screen, review the imported images, and if working with a radiometric calibration target, ensure that it was included in the imported images. When ready, click Start Processing to process the project. During processing, the progress bar is displayed at the bottom of the screen. Processing time depends on the computer's performance and processing power. All processing is done offline and can be completed in a matter of minutes. Once processing is complete, you can view the orthomosaic and the surface model. To navigate in the interface, left-click and drag the mouse or trackpad. To zoom, use the mouse wheel or hold Control and slide up or down on the trackpad. Be sure to give the project an identifiable name. To close the project and return to the dashboard, click the icon here. We hope this tutorial video on processing with PIX4Dfields was helpful. See you in the next one.